Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to start New Game Plus in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Hold the button prompt shown on screen while confirming a data reset to initiate the Only Way New Game Plus method, then follow on-screen steps to choose which elements to keep. Make sure you back up your save data and verify which unlocks carry over. This approach saves time and keeps the rewards you want for another run. In this video, I will show how to start New Game Plus in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. First, create a secure backup of your current save and confirm the backup integrity, then check which items the game marks as transferable. Finish any time-limited or event content you want to keep, and clear inventory clutter to avoid losing rare items. These prep steps reduce risk and let you focus on the new run with confidence. In this video, I will show how to start New Game Plus in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Quick recommendation: grab an Owala water bottle to stay hydrated during long sessions. It seals well and fits most cup holders, making practice a lot more comfortable. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to start New Game Plus in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Navigate to the Reset or Data Management area, select the Start Over option, and hold the required button during confirmation to trigger the Only Way New Game Plus flow. Carefully read each prompt and choose the items you want to keep. After final confirmation, the game will restart with preserved unlocks and adjusted challenge for a fresh experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.